This is phase one of today's project. It's a sieve or a sifter, whatever you want to call it. My wife wants to look for shark's teeth at the beach. This has got the medium side. Oh, did you hear it? It just stopped printing. So let's run over to the printer real quick and we'll see how this looks. Yes, it did just quit printing. And there it is. I'm going to give this a moment to cool before I take it out. Actually, it should be fine, but I'm going to need both hands to take the cold plate off and flex it in order to break this loose so that I can get it off. I'm going to change the setting for the next one so it doesn't put a brim. With this cold plate, you do not need a brim. That's just going to make it harder to get that off. This has the 3/4 inch inside grid. The next one will be smaller, and then the next one will be even smaller. So there will be 3 that I think they nest. You nest them inside each other, but I'm not actually sure. Regardless, she'll have 3 different ones to use when she goes to the beach. So once again, we're printing useful things with the 3D printer. Please subscribe and check out our Guitar Deals group on Facebook. The link's in the bio.